Hello there, and welcome back to the channel. As always, hope everyone is well and whatnot. I just thought we would do something a little bit different. I recently heard about a render that had been made about the MX-5. I think it was actually thanks to Mr. Darren Hook in the Cardboard YouTube Facebook Rangers group thing. Yes. So yeah, it's thanks to him that I kind of seen this and I thought, oh yes, we have to have a look at this. So I watched the video and I thought, this needs to be made. Someone has to make this. Now, that's my personal opinion. I want to watch this and then let's see what you think in the comments below. It was a render that's been made by Piston Zero. They have their own YouTube channel, very popular and whatnot. So I've grabbed the video. We've got it here. Let's give this a watch because it's actually pretty stunning. Now, there's been two renders that have been made. There's the first version of it, which has got a massive wing on it, and people said, can you make a version without the wing? So they have made a version without the wing, and instead it's made as a fastback edition. I'm not too bothered about the fastback aspect of it, but I do like the look of the lowered wing on it. So let's watch this, because this is just epic. There it is. That stance though, look at it. Dramatic music and everything as well. This is well edited. Right, stop. Right. This is what I want more than anything else. Carbon Miata make a set of rear lights for the NA. Now, I don't like them. I want to like them. I want to love them. I want to buy them. But every time I see them, they look like a old electric cooker. You know, the one with the rings and the hob that go round and round. It looks like that. And I'm sorry, but that's not going to cut it. These would be the best taillights ever. If nothing else comes out of this, Carbon Miata, get in touch with whoever made this render from Piston Zero and get them made because they look incredible. They're the best aftermarket, you know, rear lights that you can get, I think, personally, looking at it, because any other creation is nowhere near as good as OEM currently for like LED lights. That would be epic on any current NA5. It just would. I think they would be incredible. So yeah, Carbon Miata, I'm speaking all radio-like, so I've got my headphones on. Carbon Miata, get in touch with Piston Zero, please. Make that happen. If nothing else, that needs to happen. Now, obviously, these are just renders. It's not real, but, I mean, if somebody could come up with a kit that makes an NA5 look like that, even I would probably kind of raise an eyebrow and go, yes, please. I think I would. I've got to be honest. Just look at it. Look at the stance on it. I love the flared out arches as well. It just gives some amount of presence, that. That's incredible. The rear end is stunning on this thing. Absolutely stunning. From the front, I mean, I'll be honest, it's not... I'm not too sure, right? When the pop-ups come up... you know, I don't mind it, but... Wow. It just looks incredible. I'm not normally one for going in for this sort of thing, but on this occasion, I'd buy that. I really would. I mean, I'm not street racer, and whatnot, but that looks incredible. Even interior, I mean, I'm not going in for the big drifting handbrake and all that sort of thing, but seriously, that does look something else. And yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I haven't asked for permission from Piston Zero to use that video, so this will probably get struck in no time. But yeah, that looks incredible, I think. It is renders. Will it ever see the light of day? Who knows? I would love it. If I had £1,000,000 going spare somewhere, I'd buy one and I'd get one made in any sort of colour with all that stuff on it. It looks absolutely incredible. Just that rear end alone, right? Just that. I'd have that in a heartbeat on Scarlet. It looks stunning. Obviously, let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? We need to get a movement going to make this happen somehow, somewhere. Someone has to make that. At the very least, Carbon Miata, you need to make those lights. You really need to make those lights because they are absolutely stunning, as is the entire car. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Just a short one today. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.